Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Lucky Break Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the hatch stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the beginning, we're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 for how wide we want our blanket. I'm going to make 152 chains for my example blanket. So again, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4, and I made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're now going to start our sequence, skip 3 chains into the next one, make a single crochet. Then make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then into this chain where you made this single crochet, make 3 double crochet. So you can see we skipped these chains, made this single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into this next chain. So we're going to start repeating from this single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, make a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. Same thing, skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet we had just made. So now you can see how everything is looking. You're going to start repeating this sequence of skipping 3 chains, making that single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into the next chain. And you're going to repeat this until you only have 3 chains left in this row. So I've made it to the end of row 1 where I only have 3 chains left. You're going to skip 2 chains and then into the last chain of your row, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete row 1. And this is how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 2 double crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. You're going to skip over these 3 double crochet into this next chain space, this chain 3 space. You're going to make a single crochet. Now we're going to be making the same sequence as our last row. We have our single crochet, chain 3, and make 3 double crochet into this same chain space where we made our single crochet. So next we're going to skip to that next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 3, make 3 double crochet into this same chain space. Skip to the next chain space, skipping these 3 double crochet, make a single crochet into this chain space, make 3 chains, Then make 3 double crochet into this chain space where you made a single crochet. So same thing, skip over to this chain space, make a single crochet, chain 3, then make 3 double crochet into the same chain space as the single crochet. So you can see how this row is looking so far. We're going to be repeating this sequence, so it's very similar to what we made in our first row. Into each previous chain space, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into that chain space. Skip to the next one and then do the same thing. You're now going to start repeating this sequence until you reach the last block or stitches of this row. So I've made it to the end of row 2 where I only have 2 stitches and some chains left. You're going to skip those 2 stitches and then into those chains like we had been working into. You're going to make a single crochet into those chains at the end of this row, just a single crochet by itself to complete row 2. And this is how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my example blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 70 rows total, and I always make my blankets into throw sizes, so about 55 inches by 60 inches. And that is going to be how to make my Lucky Break Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.